Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about Cosmic Crisp apples. You may have seen them recently in the grocery store, and they're a relatively new apple. They are an American apple that is a cross between a Honeycrisp and Enterprise apples. They were developed by Washington State University, and they're only grown in the state of Washington in the United States. Regarding their characteristics, they're a large, red, crunchy, juicy, acidic, and sweet apple. They don't brown as quickly as a lot of apple varieties, so that's a real plus for them. And this is really interesting. They do have a very extended shelf life, with some resources claiming that they'll stay fresh in the refrigerator up to a year. I haven't tested that out, so I'm not going to swear by that, but that's what some resources say. I imagine if they're picked very fresh and then they go in the refrigerator, maybe so. So if you like to buy ahead, at any rate, this is a good apple to get. Regarding their best uses, Cosmic Crisp apples can be eaten fresh and cut into any salad. They hold their shape well when they're heated, so they can be baked and roasted, sauteed, cooked pretty much any way you want to cook an apple. They retain their sweetness as well when they're heated, so when you cook or bake them, you might be able to reduce the added sugar in a recipe using Cosmic Crisp apples, because they're going to add some sweetness to that dish. Because they have a high sugar content, they will caramelize well, okay, when they're roasted. So they would be a delicious apple roasted. Now here's an important point. If you want to include Cosmic Crisp apples in a pie, you want to combine them with a tart and softer apples for best flavor and texture outcome. So bear that in mind. If you want to include them in pies, you can, but you want to blend them with some other apples. I do hope this helps. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.